The P1332 code is a diagnostic trouble code indicating a low input signal from knock sensor 4. Knock sensors are essential for detecting and preventing engine knocking, which can lead to severe damage. If this code appears, it's crucial to address it promptly to avoid performance issues like reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, or engine damage. Knock sensors are piezoelectric devices that detect vibrations from engine knocking, a condition caused by improper combustion. When knocking occurs, the sensor sends a voltage signal to the engine control module, or ECM. Knock sensor 4 is typically located near cylinder 4 or another specific section of your engine, depending on your vehicle's make and model. A low input signal from knock sensor may result from several issues. 1. Faulty knock sensor. Over time, the sensor can degrade and stop functioning properly. 2. Wiring or connector problems. Broken, corroded, or loose connections can interrupt the signal flow. 3. ECM malfunction. Rarely, the engine control module itself may fail to interpret signals accurately. Knowing these causes will help you effectively diagnose and resolve the problem. Diagnosing the P1332 code involves several steps. 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the error code. If P1332 is detected, note any additional codes that may point to related problems. 2. Inspect the sensor and wiring harness for physical damage, corrosion, or looseness. 3. Test the knock sensor with a multimeter. Connect the probes to the sensor's terminals and compare the readings to your vehicle's service manual specifications. 4. Check the voltage output during engine operation to ensure the sensor is transmitting signals correctly. Once you've identified the issue, follow these steps to fix it. 1. Replace the knock sensor. If it's faulty, remove the old sensor and install a new OEM-recommended part. 2. Repair or replace wiring. Address any damaged wires or corroded connectors. 3. Reset the error code. Use the OBD2 scanner to clear the P1332 code. Then, perform a test drive to ensure the problem is resolved. Taking these steps not only resolves the issue, but helps maintain engine health and efficiency.